Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This morning I start off with a deep scrubbing to open and cleanse my pores out, remove any embedded old makeup, and to refresh my skin. However, I didn't take my lashes off and I loosened them up, so I had to take the lashes off. Then I patted my skin dry. After that, I used a toner, a refresher, and a moisturizer. My moisturizer is tinted. That is about the full amount of foundation that I use. I simply tint my moisturizer. Here I'm applying a highlighter under my eye area. I'm rubbing in my other tinted moisturizer. Now I'm going to highlight my cheekbones with a reddish tone blush. Once I got my cheekbones installed, I lightly dust with a pressed powder, which also acts as a setting powder. Set everything in place. I don't wear heavy makeup unless I'm going out for an event. Okay, now I'm going to start working on my eyes. I did remove the lashes because they had gotten wet. And now I'm going to start working on my eyes. This is where I will be applying a new set of lashes. I hope everyone is having a terrific morning this morning. It's a beautiful day, so let's rejoice in it. Yeah, I really got them suds in my nose. Irritated my life. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with a shadow now. I probably should have done this on a very close-up frame, but this is my first get ready with me. Yes, I'm going in with some shadow. I'm going in with a charcoal to deepen my eyes. And I used to really put a lot of effort into my shadow. Being a surgical technologist, my face was covered most of the day at work. The only thing that was exposed was my eyes. And I used to pay extra attention to my shadows. And once I retired, opened a nail salon. Only time I really put effort into my eye makeup is if I'm having an event to attend. Then I'm going in with a color, a white. I'm doing black and white because I think I'm going to wear black and white today. And I wish I did a close-up. At one point, I was using a suction device to hold the camera to the mirror, and it slipped, so I really have to watch that suction device so that I don't damage my phone. Okay, I'm blending in those shadows together. I added silver. And I guess this isn't really a great video because it's not a close-up. I don't have the details to show you. But I get those shadows blended in really good. I do a lot of blending with my fingers. I'm not that great with blending with brushes. Just not really that great doing it. So I do use my fingers to do, and my hands, to do a lot of my blending. I feel like, personally, it gives you a more natural look. You avoid any streaks or such. Okay, get those shadows in. I think today is a shopping day. That's the little kit that I use that I got from Ulta. It was $20 kit I bought for my granddaughter for Christmas. Where she didn't really she wasn't into makeup at the time. So she left it here at my house and I started to use it. Ulta has some beautiful kits around Christmas time. And by me having 6 granddaughters, I can buy a lot for them, the older ones, at Ulta around Christmas time. I can grab them skincare. Okay, the eyes are done. There, now the smile's done.